Sup dudes, it's your homie Alan here, and in this video we're gonna be talking about what you need to start dropshipping 2024. So before we get started, I would like to ask you for a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos. Alright, so let's get started. What do we need to start dropshipping in 2024? Let's start talking about devices. We're gonna need a PC, like a computer, a laptop, a MacBook, doesn't matter. We need a PC to work. But Alan, can I start dropshipping using my mobile? To be honest, it's possible, but I don't recommend to you to do that because working on mobile is very bad. So I strongly recommend to you investing on a computer. It doesn't need to be like a great computer. It can be like a cheap one just for you to use to do your tasks. So you're gonna need a PC and connection with the internet. All right, for devices, that's all we need. So first of all, which kind of store do you want to have? Well, you don't know yet what are the kinds of store that we have in dropshipping. At the end of the video, I'm gonna put a link somewhere here. Then you can click and watch all the different kinds of store that we have in dropshipping, but at the end of the video. So alright, now that you decided what kind of store you want to have, if it's a general store or if it's a niche store, now we're gonna decide the name of your store. Because after deciding the name of it, we're gonna check if the domain of that name is available, because we need to find a name that the domain is available. If you want to create a store with the name of McDonald's, sorry, you're not gonna be able to, because the domain McDonald's is already being used. So we need to find a name that is available. So the first thing you're gonna do is decide what kind of store and the name of your store. And then after you found the name that your domain is available, we're gonna have to buy that domain. All right, so now you have your domain, you bought your domain. Now we're gonna need to create our store. And where we're gonna be creating it? Shopify. And by the way, to help you out, there's a link also in the description and in the comments of this video. Then if you create your Shopify account with my link, you're gonna receive 3 months of Shopify for $1 each. So first month you're gonna pay $1, second month you're gonna pay $1, and third month you're gonna pay $1. And since I know that the free themes of Shopify are pretty bad, I'm gonna help you out even more. If you create a Shopify store with my link, you just need to send me an email and I'm gonna be sending to you 25 professional themes for free. They are actually paid themes, but I'm gonna be sending to you for free. Then you don't have to use those horrible themes that we have for free on Shopify. So yeah, you're gonna pay $1 and you're gonna receive 25 professional themes. Link in the description and in the comment. All right, so we're gonna be building our store on Shopify. After you created your login on Shopify, you're gonna connect the domain on your Shopify store. And by the way, we already have a tutorial here on the channel that we show how you can do it. You can look for products on AliExpress, for example, and import them to your Shopify store. And after you organize them pretty well and you build a very beautiful store, the pages of the product are very well structured, we're gonna go to the next step. We're gonna be setting how we're gonna receive our payments. So you can use PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment gateway that you prefer. After we set that, we are ready to sell. And now we're gonna go to one of the most important parts of our business: the ads. I recommend to you start using Meta ads because in my opinion it is the easiest and most complete platform for ads. And not only the easiest and most complete, but also it brings a lot of great results. So I recommend to you starting by Facebook ads or Meta ads. So yeah, so you're gonna need to have a Facebook profile and then you're gonna have to create a page for your store. And also an Instagram account for it. And after we have our page and Instagram for our store, we're gonna be creating our business manager. And it will be on the business manager that we're gonna be creating our ads. Of course, I'm not gonna be mentioning all the steps that you need to take, like creating a pixel, installing the pixel on your Shopify store, all those setting parts, because it would take a lot of time and this video would be huge. So it's not the idea of this video, but later I can be making a video like that. Okay, and to invest on the ads, how much money do you recommend to me to start? To be honest, guys, I recommend at least between $200 to $300 if you have a lot of knowledge. So if you understand very well how the things work, if you understand very well how your business works, $200, $300 is enough. But of course, the more you have, better it is. And also, if you don't have much money to invest, I recommend to you working very well on your organic traffic. I recommend to you working a lot on the social medias of your store, the TikTok, to try to get sales without ads. There are a lot of strategies that you can be doing for that. And also you need to be very good at selling at 1v1 to your customer. They are like replying to your customer, talking to your customer. You're gonna need to be very good at those things if you don't have much money to invest. If you have a lot of knowledge, if you know very well how the game works, $200, $300 is enough to you to start. So guys, I'm gonna be finishing this video here. If you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment a topic for me to talk about on the next videos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.